I'm sorry. I'm speechless. What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Asia Monet coming with another video for you today, okay? If you are coming back and this is not your first video, hey, welcome back. So happy to have you. And if you're new, I'm still happy to have you, okay? If you like all things mental health, wellness, fitness, lifestyle, this is the place you want to be, okay? So if that sounds like something you like, go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and give me a thumbs up, okay? So let's get right into the reason we are here. You guys recognize this bag? Leave me a comment if you do. I feel like you do, okay? LiCi Fit, all right? Full review on these bad boys. I got a couple of outfits from them, so I wanted you guys to be the first to see what's going on, okay? Sneak preview. I already have on some good shorts here, so let's get right into it. Of course, you know I'm gonna leave all the sizes, the descriptions, the titles, everything I bought down below, so you can just hit a link and check it out, okay? And this video is not sponsored, okay? I went out and spent my bread, okay? My monies, my mullahs on them, okay? So this is an honest review. I'm gonna tell you things I like, what I don't like, what I buy again, and what I wouldn't buy, and any sizes that you guys might need as well, okay? So let's check out our first outfit. Lemon popper set. Okay, I really love this. I like the V-cut, and it kind of keeps the tummy in, okay? So we're still working on that tummy, okay, sis? I ain't mad at you, still look good, okay? Loving this sports bra, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You know I ain't going to the gym like this. You know I'm not, okay? I think it would cause too much attention. We like attention, but sometimes attention can be a little creepy, all right? So I definitely would style this with like a pullover, like something in my intro, or even a crop top, tee, whatever the case may be. Sometimes I will record and of course take pictures for like a few seconds and rounds while I'm in the gym, but honestly, I go too hard in the gym. I feel like we ain't even gonna go there, okay? But I love the top. It holds really well. It makes my entire top, my top half look great. So I do enjoy it. I love the color. I think yellow really is like for me, okay? And then of course, you guys know that they're infamous for the scrunch in the back that emphasizes the booty. So yes, I'm loving this. Okay, I know for a fact these pants are a large, and I can honestly do a medium, which I have some of my other stuff in. Just wanted to see, okay, because sometimes I'm a medium, some days I'm a large. It really just, yeah, but most of the time I'm pretty much a medium. They have a lot of space, okay, so again, their sizing is right, all right? All my tops are a medium, and I can honestly, I possibly could do a small. Again, it really would depend, but yes, loving this set, loving this color. I'm gonna leave everything linked below. Don't forget, it's below, okay? So check it. Okay, outfit 2, same top, okay? I'm gonna tell you a little sizing difference here with this one, all right? And first of all, this print though, this print, is so cute, okay, but really back in, Asia, they're watching. Really back in. Okay, anyway, this sizing on this one is a tad different, okay? This one had like small slash medium, medium slash large, okay? It's gonna make a difference, all right? These definitely feel like a solid medium to me. Solid medium, no large, if ands or buts. Solid medium. And I love the way they fit. They hug a little bit better than my lemon drop one. Which is a good thing. And then again, having, that's what I said on that last one, I think I can do a small on this bra here, only because this one feels a little bit snugger. And again, it's that medium slash large. So I know that is what makes the difference. But again, super cute. This is my print right here, okay? I just love how it's out, like boom, bam, look at me, but at the same time it has a lot of subtleties to it. Like the colors are subtle, but the print is like, y'all did good on this one, okay, babes? Y'all did good on this one. So again, outfit 2, I'm loving. Again, that medium is for me in this one, all right? Mediums all the way. Why did y'all do this? Wow. Okay, I gotta get it together. I had to do another take because I was truly speechless. I fell in love with myself all over again. It don't make no sense. This one gotta be my favorite. It's the long sleeves for me. Something about a long sleeve crop top always just makes me feel good. I don't know. I just, but this is like butter. This is legitly like butter. I cannot wait to sweat in it. Like it's like butter. And the print for me is like, bam, look at me, I'm here. Now what? Now we get to work. Now we get to sweat in. Now we put that work in, sis, because you look fine. You look fire. Okay? I'm talking to you too. Okay? This, and this is both mediums. I just show the back again, the infamous scrunch. Okay? Yeah, this is it. I don't have anything to say. If my reaction hasn't said enough, let's just do the outro. So in the midst of me editing, I realized I didn't even do an outro. So in between my hectic life, I was like, I need to film this now. So if you're wondering, this is phone style, but I'm trying to stay super consistent on giving you guys videos. So the show must go on. That was my complete, full honest review on LiCi Fit. I absolutely adore them. The bold colors, the bold prints. I mean, it really gave me that confidence I've been needing these last couple of months, all right? So leave me a comment down below on which set that you're thinking about getting, okay? I'm loving the material, excellent shipping, and customer service. So, I mean, you really can't go wrong with that, all right? So make sure you give me a nice subscribe. If you like more videos like this, definitely let me know. I'm here to build a healthy, safe, fun space, okay? So I want to see ya. I want to interact with ya. I'm going to catch you guys on this next video. I hope you have a beautiful day and make wise choices. Later, gators.